Hello, everybody, and welcome to this week's edition of your girl Oxygenbae's Makeup Over 40. Woo! I didn't even think I was going to post this particular video because, number one, my camera settings were not ideal, and secondly, I had to figure it out and learn my camera all over again as to why it was not giving me the picture quality and lighting that I desired. It was at one point, but I don't know. It wasn't giving this particular week. So I wasn't going to post this video, but I still ended up posting because I figured, why not? And that's what I like to do in my spare time, and go ahead and post it. But right now, it's just I also used products that I don't normally use together. I was just trying to, I was experimenting pretty much with this week and trying to see, if the color correcting underpainting method would work well with my NARS skin tint. It was fine, I think. I feel like it was okay. I still feel like the MAC foundation came out way better looking than the NARS skin tint. It would probably look better with a NARS foundation versus the NARS skin tint. And I need to get away from pink blush. Obviously, I don't think pink blush works for me. I think I'm too yellow. I think I'm gonna stick to the browns and the reds and the oranges. I just don't think that pink is my particular blush color. I started playing in makeup heavily back when I got sick. Normally, I am just a blush, mascara, lip gloss, lipstick girl. But once I got sick, I jumped more into learning complexion products, learning how to do eyeshadow. And I'm pretty much still on that journey of just playing in makeup and seeing, what new things and ideas I can come up with creatively. It is costly, though. It can be a little expensive. And I know people say, well, go to the drugstore. But sometimes, I'm just going to be honest, the drugstore foundations for women of color aren't that great. I'm a neutral undertone, even though I look more yellow. And it comes a little orange. So I don't like it. So I pay for the better stuff so that I can have pretty accurate complexion products when it comes to playing in the makeup or even just wearing the makeup in general. What was I doing here? Oh yeah, watch this disappear. This is just going to disappear. It's going to completely disappear. And I was just like, where'd it go? Like, where'd it go? It just disappeared. So yeah, I think pink blush is probably out for me. Like, it just completely disappeared in the underpainting process. It's like gone, vanished, poof. But I don't buy, back to what I was saying, I don't buy the drugstore because it's not good for women of color on the complexion. And I mean, for some women can find their colors. They can find their accurate complexion shades. But for me, it is a drag and it is orange. So for me not to be orange, I know yellow and red together make orange, but baby, it is not cute on the face. I will say that this NARS skin tint is really, really good. Especially paired with Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Water Cream. If you use the Magic Water Cream as a base for your skin prep and then you put this on, it's flawless. Absolutely flawless. Gives you one of the most beautiful finishes ever. This is going to oxidize. But back to my story. I started to play in complexion products and eyeshadow because I just wanted to become a little bit more proficient in makeup. I wanted to become better. But now that I've learned a lot of things. I've come to realize that my favorite products is going to be bronzer, blush, mascara, lip gloss, and lipstick. Those are my favorite. And I do love this NARS skin tint. I absolutely adore it. I was never a makeup junkie outside of those specific products that I named. But I'm a fool for skincare. Like, I will spend top money on skincare. Like, yes. Okay, I'm a fool. The Sephora sale is coming up. And I have that Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream in there. When I tell y'all that stuff is so bomb, it is so bomb. It is so bomb. I mean, it's pretty costly, but it is so bomb. And then I have like some Danessa Myricks blushes in there, but that's about it. The other thing was, I purchased a lot of makeup over the years and playing in makeup. And I'm just going to tell you, like, I love the only other the only other foundation that I would want to try. I know there's a lot of hoopla about House Labs, but there's also a lot of hoopla about Dior. But I think I'm just going to stick to, if I try anything outside of NARS and MAC, it'll probably be House Labs. I heard they have a very, very good neutral foundation, and it's kind of hard for a lot of people to get women of color neutral foundations accurately. So I probably will swing that. But other than that, I don't feel the need to buy any additional makeup products or try any new launches, because, listen, you know, after a while, you know what you like. And that's just it. You know? But I think at 40, it's just like, yeah, we got to put the makeup on. It looks so nice. It looks so elegant. It looks so regal. It just really looks nice. It looks classy. But I'm going to let y'all go. I put this up. I hope everybody has a great week. And I will see y'all next week. Have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all, and thank you so much for coming every week, watching my videos. For those of you that do, I appreciate you. I see you. It does not go unnoticed. So thank you so much. Have a good one.